What's up, everybody? It's currently 4 a.m. here, and we're headed out across the bay today to do some clamming. So, see you guys out there.
Well, we went out today and dug some Razor Clams across Cook Inlet, and we're going to give you a little demonstration on how to clean a clam, and then Alaska Chef is going to take you through a little bit later some of the cooking techniques for Razor Clams. So what we got here is a good size bucket here of Razor Clams, and these are still alive actually, so what we want to do is instantly kill them but not cook them, and that'll make it a lot easier for us to clean. So I'm going to dip them in boiling water. We've got our crab pot boiler here. We're going to count to 10, and then I'm going to put them in a bucket of ice water over there. Okay. That opens up the shells. And then we want to bring them over here, put them right in the ice water. And what that does is it stops any kind of cooking that's going on. And we instantly have clams that are open, clams that'll be a lot easier to clean.